Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Here just a quick update really to say we're still on track here. We are in this green possible reversal area, and this is really the area where ADA needs to reverse to maintain bullish, because if it doesn't, so if it drops below 41.9 cents, then it's very likely we're also going to retest the 40.3 cent level and will then come further down. I told you in the previous video that it is probably not over yet, this move to the downside, but I also expected here a little bit of a move to the upside, a little bit stronger. So far we haven't seen that yet. That would be a wave 4 here in white, based on that wave count here in a wave C to the downside in a 1, 2, 3. Here would ideally be the 4 now, and then the 5 down, but it would have only been a corrective move in an overall downtrend. I mean, this could still happen. Yeah, we could still move up a little bit more, and I gave you here a possible area to reverse to of 47.8 cents. It would be the 23.6% fib level. If we don't do that, then this was probably not a wave 4. Bear in mind, we're doing micro counting here. What is more important is this overall area, and the fact that we've probably not have seen the low yet of this move here. Yeah? So a move below 44.6 cents would confirm that and could take us down all the way to, where are we then? We've got here certain previous swing lows, support levels. So we've got here 43.2 and then 41.9 cent. Okay, for this last wave down. This is currently the assumption. If we go below 41.9, we have to look at other possibilities, and among them also a bearish possibility that this is just an impulse to the downside. For example, an impulsive wave 1 down, which would also be corrected by a wave 2 to the upside, which would then come down in a wave 3. That should be a very bearish wave, then a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. And that could then be, if this was not the low yet at 40.2 cents, then we will probably see the low then. If we make one more, for example here, this could be a wave 1 in a bearish scenario, a wave 2 up. Then we would see a wave 3 down, a wave 4 to the upside, and a wave 5 down. That could take us very well to the 30 cent level, which is the 88.7% fib level, a very important level. From here then we will hopefully, if we really see another low, and I'm currently not leaning towards that, I'm currently leaning towards a recovery, and an impulsive wave 3, which should happen in the bullish scenario. But if this doesn't happen, I'm not making the markets, I can only be guided by the waves here and the interpretation of them. If the impulsive wave up doesn't happen, then it indicates that this here is the first wave of an impulse down, but this would also be corrected by a wave 2 that could very well, and just to make some assumptions here, that could very well retrace again into the region above 50 cents. For example, here the 38.2% fib level is at 50.3 cents, the 50% at 52.1, and the 61.8% fib level is at 53.9 cents. All reversal areas for a wave 2. So it remains very interesting. If we take a look at the 4-hour RSI, we can see that we are strongly oversold now, and that would suggest a bounce to the upside. Maybe there will be one more lower low here or so, in this smaller wave 5, but it's really net. You can really you don't really need to focus on that. If there is one more dip, it doesn't matter. If I tell you here we are oversold, it doesn't mean we have to go up straight away, but it would be an idea, especially if on the 4-hour chart you see the purple line cross above the yellow line. That would be a bullish crossover. That could lead to that, or at least support it, and also if the MACD is further reducing negative momentum here. Now this is only on the 4-hour. You will see that transferred over onto the 8-hour. Here we now already started to reduce the negative momentum. And if we then look at the daily, here it hasn't happened yet. But if on the daily we are starting to reverse to the upside on the MACD, that would then be a good signal that the at least a temporary low is in here, irrespective of which scenario it is on the higher level time frame. Yeah, because it could be the next wave up, could be a corrective one or an impulsive one. So as I said to you, this current move down is really a stress test for the bullish scenarios in crypto. We cannot drop much more in order to, without violating and invalidating the bullish scenario here. And I'll of course keep you updated. Overall, every long-term investor should be very, very happy if we make another lower low. For example, coming down to 30 cents, it is something we've been having. I mean, I've talked about a 30 cent ADA since January, I think. But obviously assume currently that the low was already in here based on the wave counts. But of course, other interpretations are possible. And if we make another lower low, which I'm giving a 40% probability, which, you know, is also decent, yeah, then my view is that we will finally see this 30 cent level, which is very meaningful. It's the 88.7% fib level. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.